Good evening. I'm Terry O'Sullivan. Well, the final results are in from the latest NASCAR event. The 2-week-long safety and performance trials at Daytona Beach, Florida. And Ford is still America's winningest car. Now, let's take a look at the score. On the NASCAR short track convertible and Grand National race circuit, Ford has scored more points than all other cars combined. Yes, sir, Ford is really off to a flying start for 57. It's a pretty impressive record, isn't it? Ford Thunderbirds, like this one, were responsible for many wins. Other Fords figured in many more. But remember this, all the point-winning Fords were powered by the Ford Thunderbird V8 engine. Now, this is the engine that made the Thunderbird famous. The same V8 engine that's available to you in any Ford model you choose. It'll deliver championship performance in every kind of driving situation. But prove to yourself why Ford goes first at the meets and on the streets. Find out what a difference Thunderbird V8 power can make in your kind of driving. Visit your Ford dealer soon. Ask to action test Thunderbird V8 power in the new kind of Ford for 1957.